Are you a creative person with a passion for handmade crafts? Selling your crafts on Etsy is a great way to turn your creativity into a profitable business. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to start making money by selling your crafts on Etsy. Set up your Etsy shop. The first step is to set up your Etsy shop. Create an account on Etsy, choose a memorable shop name, and customize your shop's branding with a logo and banner that reflect your style. Make sure your shop looks professional and welcoming to potential buyers. Choose the right products to sell. Decide which crafts you want to sell. Etsy is known for handmade, vintage, and unique items, so focus on offering products that reflect your skills and creativity. Some popular categories include jewelry, home decor, artwork, and personalized gifts. Choose a niche that aligns with your talents and stands out in the marketplace. Price your products. Pricing is key to success on Etsy. When pricing your products, consider the cost of materials, time spent creating the item, Etsy's fees, and your desired profit margin. It's important to price competitively while ensuring you cover all your costs. Offering different pricing tiers for custom orders or bundles can also help attract more buyers. Create compelling listings. Your product listings are crucial for attracting buyers. Write clear and detailed descriptions, highlighting the materials, dimensions, and unique aspects of each item. Use high-quality images that show your crafts from multiple angles, as good photography can significantly boost sales. Don't forget to use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions to help your products rank higher in Etsy search results. Promote your Etsy shop. To increase visibility, it's essential to promote your shop. Share your Etsy store and listings on social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Engage with potential customers by posting behind-the-scenes content of your crafting process or showcasing finished products. You can also use Etsy's advertising tools to run paid promotions and reach a wider audience. 6. Provide excellent customer service. Great customer service is key to earning positive reviews and building a loyal customer base. Be responsive to messages, ship items on time, and ensure your products arrive in excellent condition. Personal touches like thank you notes or packaging can also help create a memorable customer experience and encourage repeat business. Expand your product line. Once you've established your Etsy shop and started making sales, consider expanding your product line. Introduce new items, offer seasonal products, or create personalized or custom options to cater to different customer needs. Continuously adding new products keeps your shop fresh and encourages customers to return. Analyze and optimize. To grow your Etsy business, it's important to regularly analyze your shop's performance. Use Etsy's built-in analytics to track your best-selling items, traffic sources, and customer behavior. Use this data to optimize your listings, adjust pricing, and improve your marketing strategies for even more sales. Selling crafts on Etsy can be a rewarding and profitable way to make money online, especially if you have a passion for handmade items. By setting up a strong shop, promoting your products, and providing great customer service, you can turn your hobby into a thriving business.